I'm Tyler McCauley, equipment manager at the Great Lakes Construction Company. We're based out of Cleveland, Ohio. We do work all over Ohio, Cincinnati, and some of the surrounding areas, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Kentucky. So Great Lakes as a heavy civil highway contractor, we're a diverse company. We do a lot of ODOT work, bridge building, and as you can see going on behind us, oil and gas, Mass X, dirt work, wastewater treatment plant, and energy. So our projects range anywhere from a couple $100,000 to multi-million-dollar projects that'll last several years. Government work, ODOT work, municipalities with the wastewater treatment plants, and then private owners as well with the First Energy, the oil and gas, earthwork. So Great Lakes purchased our first Komatsu excavator in the late 80s. And ever since then, it's been a great product for us as far as durability, and it's been backed by a great company, which is Columbus Equipment. Primarily, our excavator fleet, anywhere from PC88 to 650 size, is majority Komatsu because of the backing of Columbus Equipment and how well the equipment lasts and holds up in rugged environments like we're in right now. Komatsu equipment for us, we like to purchase because Komatsu, along with Columbus Equipment, has always been on the cutting edge with technology, always pushing the envelope. And by doing so, they back their equipment too. They're right there to help you if you have any issues. And we have seen good efficiencies and returns out of the equipment that we buy. We rely on our operators as well. A couple times a year we'll put some dozers against each other, some haul trucks and excavators, and not only does management like Komatsu, but our operators seem to be picking it over and over and year after year as well. Great Lakes bought our first iMachine about 5 years ago, and I remember sitting through several meetings going back and forth on, is the machine going to hold up, and are the electrical components going to be there, and is the dealer support going to be there 5, 6, 7 years down the road? And I can tell you, we still own that same dozer. We've had very little issues with it, and our I-fleet has grown exponentially since then, not only with dozers, but with excavators as well. And as the technology keeps evolving, Columbus Equipment seems to be on the forefront edge of that, not only with the equipment, but with the support as well. And with our survey team and the help of Columbus Equipment's support center, we've had great success. We've become more efficient. It's made good operators great and great operators even better. A lot of times when you think of an intelligent machine, you're thinking in final grade situations, but we're using the machines in mass excavation as well. The larger dozers like the 85i will load sense, limit track slip, which is a lot easier on the machines. It's protecting our undercarriages. It's being more fuel efficient throughout the projects and throughout the years. And it's less fatigue on the operator throughout the day as well. When I started 5 years ago with Great Lakes, I heard it then, and I'm even a more believer of it now. It doesn't matter what shade of yellow iron we have out here, you're gonna have issues. Hoses are gonna blow, electronical issues. And when you're in a remote site like this, 3 hours away from Cleveland, we rely on our dealers heavily to take care of a lot of those issues that we can't get to. And Columbus Equipment, time in and time out, no matter the time of day, they never stumble. They always seem to be there and to help us get the iron back up and running so we can keep our jobs moving along, especially in tight scheduling requirements. So Komatsu equipment is very important to us. The excavators, the dozers, they're what's on the ground every day. Moving the earth, putting the pipe in, putting the stone in, not only in cuts, but to finish grade, and that's what makes profit and returnability for the company. And Columbus Equipment, along with Komatsu, is there to help us every step of the way. I was lucky enough to visit the excavator plant in Tennessee a few weeks ago, and to see people come up to you and recognize your name and your company and ask you how the equipment's doing for you on a personal level really speaks numbers for what kind of company we're working with.